Hi guys, today we're in Encinitas and we're going to show you two properties, one listed at 2.7 and the other listed at 10.9. So come check them out. Our first stop brings us to an oceanfront property at 1496 Neptune Avenue in Encinitas. This newly remodeled home is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 2,903 square foot home and priced at $10.995 million. Step over the world-class koi pond and be immediately greeted with marble flooring, a professional chef's kitchen, and endless sunsets with your ocean-facing custom glass doors. Enjoy the outdoors with a multiple level deck that features a fire pit, jacuzzi, yoga deck, and a Coastal Commission compliant seawall and staircase for your own private beach access. Dreaming of the perfect Encinitas lifestyle? This nearly new 2020 build home features everything you're looking for. It's a 5-bed, 4.5 bath, 3,842 square foot home priced at $2.749 million. Step inside to find tall ceilings, hardwood floors, modern fixtures, and lots of natural light. Located conveniently on a cul-de-sac with a west-facing backyard just 1 mile to the beaches in downtown Encinitas. This gorgeous culinary kitchen offers an oversized granite counter island, quartz countertops, and a GE Monogram series stainless steel built-in appliances. The kitchen and family room both seamlessly transition to a covered patio with built-in fireplace, setting the stage for your indoor-outdoor entertaining. I hope you enjoyed these properties as much as I did. If you have any questions about these homes or any of their homes in San Diego County, please don't hesitate to reach out anytime. My number is 619-888-9333. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.